Sunrise Boss Production.
Always fully active, you know. Yeah, you can go that side, yeah. Put them now.
Yeah, so you can see the bar. Yeah, I can play no doubt. This is my boy. Yes, man.
Go on, grill some fish, we have some fish. Season up already what we want. And then the whole heap of cooking up one. We want some nice bars, fully active. Yes, see there, active, you know. Season up, you go to now, I get to the supermarket. Yeah, man, and see it there. I cut up everything when I go use some onion. And I tell you what I go on. I have thyme there, so. I have onion there, so. I have sweet pepper there, so. Come back around, so again, I have sweet pepper. Yeah, this, I have a sweet pepper. See the purple onion. I have hot pepper. I have ginger. I have scallion. I have some garlic. Yeah, man. In a real life. I have some Maggi season. Curry. Easy pre. So I season up this here now. And put it in the fridge. For the morning. I go do the cooking. So whenever I do the cooking, I make you see what time it is. So I go through the night and I season up this in a real life. So just subscribe to the channel. Throw some Maggi season all over it in a real life. Yeah, man. Alright. Salt free. They say no salt, no in it, so that's nice. Yeah, man. See that? That is how I do it. Put on the curry now. Then you know you gotta store it. Yeah, in a real life. Man, you know, say season then dry. So normal when you do, just tip back, look water over it. So the curry can go in and meat, because the curry is a very dry powder peak, so you have to tip back with water. So the curry can rub in and meat. So when I don't season it up, I make you see it. Tomorrow morning I go see the real prettiness of it, because now the place dark and I not have the camera light. I just season it up because I'm tired and want to go to my bed. In a real life around after 12 an hour in the night. So I just do my thing. Yeah, man, curry the over meat already. So you know what I'm going to do now. Yeah, man. Throw on me garlic and onion and them things and stir it again. So you know, sometimes them I go cook up with them onion and peeps and nothing normal. Yeah, man, in a real life. Sunrise Boss Production. In the morning, when me ready for cook and you see this and nothing normal. Yeah, man. Good old time. Some garlic. So we deal with the garlic and scallion and ginger this, you know. Sweet pepper. I also got steamed vegetable. So I save some of them for steamed vegetable. Further on, when the goat cook, you know, we are going to throw in some carrot and Irish in a pot. Yeah. Pepper. Yeah, man. That is how we do it. What else we not put pan? Everything up on it down. Yeah, man, all like ginger feet, you know. Yeah, man, nice when I put ginger pan goat or your brown stew pork. Yeah man, nice when I use ginger. Man, see that fully active. Just use a spoon now and just stir him up. Now put on this in our fridge. And then tomorrow we make you see it in a real life. I look funny, I eat this, you know. Yeah man, don't season up. Yes, please, this is it. So tomorrow I make you see it in the morning. I make you see it. Yeah man. That is it. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, fully active. Now the driver come pick me up. Now Mr. Ford come pick me up. So everything there on the back there, so and me sit down right here, say now, so you know, so me I head to the park, start some cooking in a real life.
Give me back my phone.
Oh, see there? Yeah man. In a real life peeps, so just subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything active. When we reach out at the park, make you see what I want. Cooking start. See that the fishing dock here now. I will try to get some snapper.
Just a man you buy some snapper.
Yeah man.
Okay, small.
Really good. Well done.
Am I clean them?
Okay.
Yeah man, just get some snapper fish now, so we gotta get them clean up here now. Then me I go head to Bush Park, me I go cook them. Boss, I go scare them now. Nice view. Water deep, you see, no? Big fish that there, so it's our second fishing that me come. That one is bigger than the first one, is zippery. That one hold it a boat just park up on the side and them a sell fish. The zippery in a real life. Yeah, man. It's a good look. Just a wait for the general for don't scale the fish them, so me can go start do the cooking. The zippery. Yeah man, in a real life. Just subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything active in a real life. You're up on the bridge there. You want to lie, but the bridge a bus up, you know. Everywhere where the bridge giant have a bus speeds, it don't look good. Everywhere where the bridge giant you have a bus, I don't know if I giant where them giant it. Maybe. You see, maybe piece from the side to the side, I giant. You see it will look like it a bus up to me. Yeah man, that carry over Paradise Island. Yeah man. In a real life. So I just wait for the fish them if don't scale. And then I can go start my cooking.
situation because when I leave there, I was tired being on the wall and she asked me if I would go, if I could.
What time are you?
You pick them out yourself? Although they pulled over, they might not get coffee.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that stuff.
Respect, brother.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we make some stop, but we reach at the park here now, and you know, say we have to wait around 12 o'clock. Then we want the food for 12:30, and we just reach at the park at what time I know? 9 minutes past 11, and peas are not like them, they not cook, so now go down on the beach you know and get fully active in a real life.
YouTube channel?
Yeah man, Jamaica Sunrise TV.
Who?
Jamaica Sunrise TV.
That's you?
Yeah man, I do cooking on it.
Oh no.
You see it before?
I can't watch it at a friend of mine's house 2 months ago.
Yeah.
But it wasn't, I didn't see it the entirety, I just saw like Jamaican cooking. But maybe that's you.
Yep.
Hold a sec.
In a real life. Yeah. Reach this spot, me I go do the cooking now. So I just walk and I look some stone what me I go use make the fire, cause you don't know. A stone we use make the base of fire, and then we put the pot on here. See pre? Yeah man, fully active man, sunrise style. In the Bahamas. So now I cover them 2 stones here now. So I'll come like a one nice one too. Catch up my fire here now. Yeah. Yeah. Then I catch up my use the base of my fire. Yeah man, see? Right, that's it. Yeah man. clear out some of my sand to put in my fire stick.
The smoke is, the breeze can blow that.
No man, it's good man. You gonna see.
I can see that.
Yeah man, fully active. Yeah man, the boss I said I need to black up the fire cause the breeze I got blow it out. No son, a sunrise pot, yard man style. Not my pot. Breeze can't trouble that. Right there I walk you know. I look so stick cause I'm gonna feel cutlass. Some more so stick to catch up the fire. Slippery. Yeah man, fully active. Yeah. See it? Just no set me I use a napkin with some cooking oil and catch up the fire. Fire and the wind.
And you record that picture?
Yeah man, I record everything and then put it on YouTube.
So you, this conversation I'm having with you, SRC, you hear this conversation?
Yeah.
They see me talking to you.
Yeah man.
When you started to jazz in the wind.
Yeah man, fully active man.
Yeah.
Yes side. Very dull.
Anyway, let's go. Let's cover.
That is it. See pretty peeps. Yeah man. Fire catch up and blazing. Sunrise Boss production. Put on the peas you know. Then we catch up the next one and put on the goat. Yeah, see this now, this is some soap powder. Normally, when you cook pan wood fire peeps, you get little fab and some water and put it together and you rub it on your pot like this. Yeah. You don't have to worry, just now rub it come way up at the top. Okay, if you rub it go way up at the top, maybe fab will go in your food. So just rub it on the side. And then you know, so you put it on the fire and then your pot will always keep shining. You see, pretty, so when you done cook now, you just wash off back this and you're good to go. Yeah man, just some water and a Scotch Brite can wash off this, but if you don't do this, see your pot shine and pretty, it will go black up. Yeah, and then it will go look ugly. And I know you don't want that. So you just do this and fab in a real life. Turn it upside down too. You put some over here, so fab the whole light. Then you just put him on the fire and then you know say food ready to cook. See the peeps ready to go up on the fire. This is one I took, this is a goat now put in this. So I put this on the fire now. Yeah, I'm throwing the water and this already. Now look for the pot cover. I can't find the pot cover peeps. I can't find the pot cover. I come like they don't care the pot cover you come. So I have to use that one. This for this, but I have to use this for the time being. Yeah, put on this on the fire now with the peas. Alright, pot ya. On the next one. Yeah man, catch him up. See play. Yeah man. Fully active outside man. So nice Boss production. Yeah, peas up on the fire. So I'm gonna look some more fire tick when I can start cook the goat. Now what I love with done so peeps, whole heap of good fire tick they done so. So in no time the food I got done cook. You see pretty? Yeah man. Whole heap of good fire tick they done them have whole heap of what them call them grape. Yeah man, whole heap of grape. You see pretty? And grape tree a good fire tick. Cause remember all the grape can eat, you know, so imagine the stick. Yeah man. Coconut tree. Right, now it's some fire tick you know. Yeah man, see that? Grape them you know. Solid. Yeah man, fully active man. Me carry Jamaican cooking come a foreign in a real life. When they watch that foreign. When they watch the Bahamas, me peeps. Can't take no wash bite, this look nice. This can block up easy. You want this. Don't block. Yeah, to the block. Yeah man, as I'm telling you, fire tick can't be my problem. Yes sir. In a real life, I first place to go and see so much fire tick. I need what it carry cutlass. Just a look fire tick. So all of this dry. Fire tick, all of this dry. You can't broke. So you ready? Yeah man. This burn crazy fire. Just believe no man. Say burn crazy fire. Them grape stick your peeps. Yeah man. Uno go out this way. So you see that peeps? If you don't know so you can use fire to cook. No, you can use the sunrise bars to teach you. You see you not fear when I go buy gas every second. You can use some fire tick. Yeah man. You want to fly from me. You can use some fire tick peeps, but then you are going to get some tick together. So when you reach over, I'll show you what I'm find. But I have good amount already too, you know. I have good amount already, man. So I'm going to pack up them you know, on my shoulder and go over in a real life. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. That is it. Yo, stand steady now, man. Stand steady now, man. Chapeers. Then I want stand steady, you know. You see that? Always fully active, you know. Anywhere me go, always fully active. I'm gonna load up a fire stick, you know. I go put down. We cook the goat in a real life. Yeah, man. We're going to feed peace, but yeah, man. We have bun some garlic, you know, bun some curry too. So we curry goat peeps. Yeah man, putting back on fire, you know. Yeah man, curry goat.
Good thing, boy.
fire on the pot. Do the work now in a real life. I can beg one of them check it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go that side here.
Yes.
We'll put them now.
Yeah, so you can see the pot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
In a real life.
Real life. Yeah, man. Boy.
Yeah, man.
Still closer. We have to take a closer. Take them over
Yeah,
there.
I can stand by the pot, man. Catch one when you close to the
Oh,
pot.
yeah.
Catch close, so there ain't no doubt. There ain't no doubt. This is my boy. Yes,
No
man.
doubt that he was in there.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
In a real life.
Listen.
Alright, now we want some more fire tick.
How long are you here for, Jay?
Well, for a couple more days, but I'm gonna find go in so. That one's a nice fire tick there in so. Yeah, well, go in a real life, fully active in a bush, you know, so I look some fire tick cars. I'm up on the beach side, link up with some subscribers, and I deal with some rice and peas and some curry goats right now. They pack them up on the fire already. Some more fire ticks or some fire tick in a bush look real Jamaican style, yardman style. Yeah, man, them are so nice, thick, you know. Yeah, man, this, you know, are the and them call them again grape. So yeah, so it's strong, powerful, and it give food a nice flavor also. Cause you know, say grape will be up on the tree, can eat. Yeah, man, see how we do it? Fully active, man. So I go over there. This now I broke it up and I use cook active. In a real life. Yeah, man, just go and put in the work, man. Yeah, morning.
I come to story of the board. I come to cook it.
Oh.
I come to story of the board.
Okay, when you reach stirring time, I'll call you. Right now, reach.
Okay, so how's it going?
It's going good.
I come to show my love and support.
Okay. That's nice.
Hi, you alright? That's good. So what did I want?
This the curry mutton. Yeah man, season up them fish here now. We grill them. See pre in a real life, so I have some seasoning. Throw over them here now. One thing, you know, the breeze strong on the beach, you know. Beach they still say I expect to say the something that was strong. I want to see seasoning. Rub in. You have to watch bone too, you know, peeps. But the fisherman cut off most of the bone. Yeah, man has scale it. See that? So you rub and then you turn them. So the two side them get. See pre? Yes I. So it well seasoned now. Rub in the season then. And then you know say them are ready for wrap in a file paper and put on the grill. I'm ready to put them up on the grill. Make you see what go on. That is it. Yes. Put them on the fire, you know. You know how the curry go with this. And over here side peas that are boil. Yeah man, in real life. You don't know you have Whistle Lifestyle TV there in real life too.
Real man, there boy. Do the thing, you know?
Yes I.
Yeah man.
In a real life peeps. We have a jerk pan here, so you know. We have ketchup, because you know say we want to grill some fish. We have some fish seasoned up already when we want to grill. And then lobster, me have some lobster over here, so I need to season up to when I go grill them. So just stay tuned and like up the video. Subscribe to the channel, a whole heap of cooking I go on. You see free? Yeah man, so nice boss. Fully active in my kitchen man. So just subscribe to the channel. So I go on go cooking. Yes peeps! Wrap me there, wrap some fish, you know. But I tell you say, for the beach side, me there say, you know, say the breeze. So, breeze is strong. In a real life. You don't know, so they have some onion, garlic, scallion. And sometimes, just put in a nigga. Sweet pepper. Yeah man. Because you don't know we are going to have rice and beans with the curry goat. So we now put all the stuff in our fish. It's free. Yeah man. Lock it up. Make sure it's in there lock the foot. Because you know the end of where the whole of the juice are going to run out. pusher on the grill. Yeah, let the fire on the grill do the work. Thank you. Okay, so see them here now. Them one fish up on the grill, looking good. Let the fire on the grill do the work. Yeah, man, the piece done cooking now, so I'm throwing some grace milk in it, coconut milk. Yeah, man. Throw at least 2 things so you know so rice and peas active. Thick. Save some for steamy vegetable too. So I use 1.5 in our rice and the rest for steamy vegetable. It's a for steamy vegetable.
Top blood class.
Where is it, JJ?
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah, man, only that one they want now. You can push it on there. Just don't push off the pot.
No, I got it. I know better.
What's
Okay.
extra piece the one on that side?
Push it right there. Fire.
Yeah, man. Fire. In a real life.
Alright, right to the
On the fire.
right
You
now.
see? They're gonna active. Turn them up.
Another half an hour or so. No, the rice is what, 20 minutes? That's what it is. The rice is what, 20 minutes, so...
Yep. Let the fire on the grill do the work. Real life. This is the rice and peas, not peas and rice. Rice and peas. Now we put the peas to cook first. Then after I done cooking, throw in the coconut milk. Then we'll have to put the rice and now. Ochi.
Ochi.
Yeah.
Is that like on the main island or?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should definitely go to Jamaica. You should follow him.
Nice.
Follow him, like and follow his page on YouTube.
Nice. Yeah.
Sunrise Boss.
Okay.
YouTube, Jamaica outside cooking.
Yeah, man, see the page?
In a real life.
In a real life. Alright, then down here now, you know, put on the lobster or something. Away there. Away lobster there. Yeah, man, I go do them same way like the fish and put them on the fire. Yes, sir. See them in a real life. Yes, see there? Lobster then up on the fire now. Fish then done. Soon. Soon. Yeah, this is some cabbage and steam. Yeah, man. Sharing time, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Why you not spending that?
See? Yeah, man.
We can get that for free. We can come get that for free. We come get that for free.
Watch out.
Yeah, no,
Oh, you like hold it so I can put it there. Yeah. You have stone pad.
I borrow mine.
Should always let
yeah, man.
This nice food done by Chasing.
Yeah, man. In a real life. Okay, yeah, just subscribe to the channel.
What's the channel?
Jamaica Sunrise TV.
Okay.
Like that. They're coming back. I just gonna be night and get it.
Yeah, man, sharing time. They are sharing some food in a real life. Yeah, man, that's a go on, man.
They coming back.
I don't know.
Go to the matu.
Okay, and I see the other guy.
Yeah man, so where cooking take place. Yeah man, fully active man. Fully active.